welcome back. My name is Danielle and today I wanted to share with you all a dollar store stocking idea. So I know that each area's Dollar Tree, Dollarama, some areas don't have certain like dollar stores. Like here in Chicago we do not have the 99-cent store, and I know it's kind of hit or miss in your areas. So I went ahead and placed an order on dollar1.com. I'm going to go ahead and link everything down below, so if you guys were interested in checking it out, go ahead and do so. Just kind of a heads up, these are not all $1 items. These are kind of, think along the lines of Dollar General, where they're like $1, $3, $5, etc. But the thing is these are all like higher end products. Like I gotten some Hearth and Hand stuff in here. I've got LOL, I got Hatchimals. So these are kind of high end. I think these are like kind of overstock items that went ahead and went to this site and they went ahead and repriced them down. So I did get some really good gifts. They look, I mean, obviously these are stuff that can be found in, you know, Walmart, Target, stuff like that. But you're going to get it for the low because, you know, I'm all about the budget, girl. I'm all about getting the most bang for that dollar. So I want to go ahead and share what I found with you guys. Okay, so let's just jump into this. Okay, so I have just a big box here and I'm just going to start pulling out what I got. So some of these things are for the kids, some of these things are for me. Because we know mama needs stuff. So in this box right here, I found, I don't know, is my house the only house that Tupperware like disappears? I don't know if like the sink eats it or ends up in the garbage or the kids' rooms or wherever, but we never have Tupperware. So for our lunches, meal preps, etc., we need them. I think they come in handy, especially now with the new year upon us. Yo, girl's taking this meal prep real serious. So I went ahead and ordered these right here. These are the Glomery one compartment round Bentgo box. These are microwave safe, freezer safe, dishwasher safe, reusable, stackable, BPA free. So I believe these are 10 in here. And they kind of look like that, and they come with the lids. So I got these, and I believe these were $6 for 10 of them. So, and they're like really durable. They're pretty deep as well. So I went ahead and picked these up. These would be great for even as a gift because everybody needs Tupperware, and especially for those who are embarking on a new fitness journey. I'm telling you, they'll love these. The next thing I got was this for my oldest daughter. My oldest is 14 and she's getting into makeup and she wanted some makeup brushes. So I found these e.l.f. makeup brushes. This is a full set and I want to say this was also $6. And this is like their like Christmas line, so you know you could tell that the brush handles are pretty nice. They come with some blending brushes, a face brush, a spoolie, I believe a lip brush, an eyeliner brush, and a blending brush. 7-piece holiday brush collection. Okay, so it says an eyeshadow C brush, complexion brush, small angled brush, blending brush, flawless concealer brush, eyelash and brow wand, and lip defining brush. Oh, these are nice. Yeah, so she'll really like these. And you can see they say it was a $10 value, and I believe these were also $6. So with this site, it's kind of like get it while you can, you know, so you don't want to slack too long on picking them up. I went ahead and found these. These are Hanes Ultimates 4-Pier Low Cut Girl Socks. These are for Becky because Becky never has any socks. I believe these were only $3. So I picked those up for her. This is also a Becky gift. She loves Hatchimals. And this is just the little pack of them. And I believe this was $4 as well. No, these were $3. So I picked these up for her. This was $1 and I found it and I thought it was for a dog. So I was going to get it for my puppy, but it's like for a person. So I don't know. I'll maybe give it to my nephew when he comes over because he's like 1.5 years. Maybe he'll like it because he likes Bow Wows. So real cute. Just a little stuffed animal. Okay, so you guys, JoJo bows. If you guys have kids or girls especially, y'all know who JoJo Siwa is, and you know these bows are like everything right now. These were $3. I mean, I got 2 of them, one for Sophie, one for Becky, because they will fight over them. So yeah, I got some JoJo bows. So you can find some really good stuff. When I seen them, I was like, yes, Okay, scrunchies are back. If you didn't know that, now you do. 90s have came back. I'm feeling real old. But scrunchies are back in. I picked these up for Rhea because she wants them because they're vintage. Vintage, girl, please. But yeah, these were $1. So just little stocking stuffers. I picked these up for my Becky. These were also $1. These are just some color and shape puzzle pieces. And you know, she just turned 5. So these are really good for her colors, her shapes, and all that stuff because she'll be going to kindergarten next year. So it's always good to be ahead of the game. And she likes puzzles and stuff. And at least this way it's kind of a learning thing. All right, here's another one for Becky and Sophie. LOLs. Can you believe it? These were, I believe, $1. So I picked them both up, just something to throw in their stocking. And these are the Charm Fizz. So they're going to lose it because, you know, these things are so expensive because I don't know why, they're so freaking small. But they are going to love these. And you know these are like a hot item right now. So a little stocking stuffer on a budget, yes, girl. I'm here for it. Okay, this is for Mama. You can give this to anybody, but I bought this for myself. So I've been eating some more of these like cake spatula things, and when I seen these are the Hearth in Hand brand, and they are $5.99 at Target, $3, and they're that really pretty teal color. They have the Hearth in Hand on here. If you guys were going to do like that baker set I did from the Dollar Tree gift basket things, these would be awesome to throw in there if you didn't want to do the Betty Crocker ones. But I mean, really nice quality. We all know they're really nice. So yeah, $3, and I was like, okay, Mama needs it. These were $1. These are from my Rhea. These are from the Gillian and O'Malley brand. You know, these are at Target. These were just for one pair. I don't know how much they cost at the store. But just these like comfy fuzzy socks, and these were $1. So just to throw in her little basket. These are like the slipper socks. So cute. Love them. I want to keep them for myself, but I'm going to give them to her because I'm a giving person. And then these last two things are both for my Rhea. She loves these NYX. She likes butter glosses because she does have braces right now, so her lips are usually really dry. So she's a big fan of the NYX butter gloss. I got this in the color Eclair. This was $1. And I got one more. This is the Maybelline New York. I don't know what kind of gloss it is, but it is in the color Blushing Petal. Is the color Elixir Color Sensational Gloss. And that's what it looks like, if you guys can see. Really pretty. So she likes these colors. They look fabulous on her because she has a really pretty like olive skin tone. So I picked this up for her stocking as well. So hopefully you guys got some ideas. Like I said, I'm going to link everything down below. Check them out. You guys, not even just for Christmas, just for everyday things. I mean, look what I found. Tupperware, cooking supplies, gifts for people. You may need something for your house. They had home decor there. They had house stuff. They had obviously makeup. They had some like clothing items. They have everything, and it's not just like a Dollar Tree item. It is, you know, higher end, you know, stuff that you will find at your big box stores for the low, because we about that. So if you guys are interested, like I said, everything will be linked down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. Honestly, I'm here for the fuzzy socks, the Tupperware, and the Hearth in Hand, because if they would have had more Hearth in Hand stuff, I would have bought it all. Because I've been dying for that stuff, but their price, no kidding, is pretty steep for me just for random little pieces. And when they're on clearance, I can never find them. I don't know why. I'm just not lucky like that. So, yeah, I hope this kind of helps you guys. Maybe, you know, get some stocking stuffer ideas. Maybe you're on a pinch, your budget's kind of tight, and you got to fill up them stockings, and you just don't want to do like candy. So this can help you out. But alright guys, please make sure you do subscribe if you like these videos. I would love to have you here on my YouTube family, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.